Setting up a planned maintenance contract. We will look at how to set up a planned maintenance contract on Joblogic. On the left-hand panel, we can open up the Add PPM contract. This then opens the PPM contract pop-up box, as shown. Here you will need to select the site that the contract is to be set up on. By selecting the site, the customer is auto-filled. Note that you can at this stage add a plan reference number and description, if required. The start date, end date and billing type are required to set up a contract. Here we will set up a yearly contract as an example. We will use the fixed price billing type in this instance. Once all of the information is correct, then we select the Save option. We have now generated a PPM contract number, as highlighted. From here we need to set up the visits within the contract. Select the Visits option, then Add Visit. For a visit we need to add the details, tasks and assets for the contract. Here we will set up a gas service. You can at this stage assign an engineer to the contract. This is useful if the same engineer goes to site every time. The due date of the first visit is entered as shown. You are able to set a duration for the visit in minutes. In this instance the price and job type have been pre-filled, as per our first screen. Now we can add in the tasks for the contract. In this example we have set up one task. Now we can add any assets that need to be serviced. The assets may be pre-populated in your sites, or you can add one here. Once we have completed all of the information required, select the Save option. We now have our first visit set up. We can now clone the visit to set up future visits. By cloning the first visit, all of the information is transferred across, thus saving time in setting up a full contract. In this example we only have one other visit, as shown. The PPM contract is now set up. The Costs option shows you any costs that have been incurred when a visit is complete, and it will collate the completed visit's costs. The Notes option allows you to add any notes or attachments relating to the contract. The Schedule tab shows the schedule of works to be carried out during the contract period. This schedule is available to be viewed on the customer portal if required, or you can export the schedule to a CSV file and send to a customer via email. Thank you for watching this short tutorial on how to set up a planned maintenance contract in Joblogic.